Today, I'm challenging myself to see if I can survive alone in a world where people are mysteriously disappearing. Can I make it through the day without losing my mind? Imagine waking up to an eerie silence, no signs of human life anywhere, and no explanation as to what happened to the people around you. The thought of being completely alone, with no one to turn to for help or support, is a daunting one. It's a situation that would test our limits, push us to the edge, and reveal our true strength. Surviving alone in an unfamiliar environment would be a massive challenge, both physically and psychologically. The initial shock and fear would be overwhelming, making it difficult to think clearly and make rational decisions. We'd have to rely on our basic instincts to find food, shelter, and safety, all while dealing with the crushing loneliness and despair. We'd have to adapt quickly to our new surroundings, learning to navigate unfamiliar terrain, identify potential threats, and fend for ourselves. The lack of human interaction would take a toll on our mental health, leading to feelings of isolation, paranoia, and desperation. As time went on, the psychological struggles would only intensify, making it harder to distinguish reality from illusion. We'd start to question our own sanity, wondering if we're truly alone, or if there's someone or something watching us from the shadows. Imagine being stranded in the middle of a bustling city, surrounded by towering skyscrapers and empty streets. Or picture yourself in the midst of a natural disaster, with wreckage and debris scattered all around. In a wilderness survival scenario, we'd have to confront the harsh elements, finding ways to purify water, hunt for food, and build shelter from scratch. We'd need to rely on our wits to stay warm, dry, and safe, all while fending off predators and battling the unforgiving environment. In an urban setting, we'd have to scavenge for resources, finding ways to fuel our bodies and minds. We'd need to navigate the treacherous landscape, avoiding danger and finding ways to communicate with the outside world. In a post-apocalyptic world, we'd have to adapt to a new reality, one where the rules and norms no longer apply. We'd have to find ways to protect ourselves from roaming gangs, toxic waste, and the collapse of social structures. At some point, we'd reach a critical moment where we'd be forced to make a choice that would determine our fate. Do we take a risk and venture out into the unknown, or do we play it safe and hole up in a secure location? For me, that moment came when I stumbled upon an old gas station with a potential source of food and shelter. I knew it was a risk, but I had to take it. As I approached the building, I was met with an eerie silence. I knew I was alone, but I couldn't shake the feeling that I was being watched. That's when I saw it, a figure lurking just out of sight. My heart racing, I knew I had to make a decision. Do I trust my instincts and approach the figure, or do I retreat and live to fight another day? That moment changed everything for me. It revealed a depth of fear and resilience that I never knew I had. It showed me that, even in the darkest of times, there's always a glimmer of hope. So what's the takeaway from all of this? Surviving alone requires a unique combination of physical and mental toughness. It demands that we push ourselves to the limit, adapt to new situations, and find ways to overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. And to all of you watching, I want to hear from you. What are your survival tips or experiences? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you had to rely on your wits to get by? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see more videos on survival skills.